Before explaining the conservation of resource, I would like to define the word resource. Anything which we use to fulfill our need is called resource. It can be a natural resource like air, water, plants, minerals, etc., which God has gifted us, or it can be a man-made resource like different kinds of means of transport, roads, machines, etc. Now, what is resource conservation? Conservation of resources is the right use of resources as well as the protection of valuable resources like air, water, trees, etc. Now you must be thinking, why should we conserve resources? It is necessary to conserve resources because many resources are not large in quantity and also hard to find. If we use them unnecessarily, then they can be finished. Just think about it. If there are no trees for shade, no water to drink, and nothing to eat. So if right now we are not careful, the resources can become very scarce and also can finish. Now, how can we conserve the resources? What are the various methods of it? I have categorized the methods of resource conservation in 6 parts. We can also say them 6 R's, which are refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, recycle and recover. Now, let's start with first method, refuse. We should refuse to buy products which are harmful for us, like low grade carry bags and all other things which later you will have to pay for. Next is reduce. Reduce means to reduce the unnecessary use of things. There are so many things in our house which we buy without consideration and then we never use them. We should buy as per our needs. When we eat something, we fill our plates and then what happens? At the end we came to know that our need was less. We should reduce our buyings. We should reduce food in our plate. The very important misuse which we do is electricity. Many of us never bother to switch off the fans and lights etc. when we don't need them. Do you know the very precious and natural resource water is used to produce electricity? If we are wasting man-made resource electricity, we are wasting natural resource water as well. We also waste water in many other ways in our daily uses. We should reduce this habit. I am sure we all waste paper unnecessarily. Have you ever think from where we get paper? Many trees are cut down to make paper. In short, we should reduce the habit of wasting anything which we use. Either it is man-made or natural. Either it is big or small. The third method, reuse, and the fourth method, repurpose, both mean to reuse anything again. The only difference is that when anything is reused, it is used for the same purpose, and when we reuse it for another purpose, it is called repurpose. I explain you in more simple words with example. If I am wearing any cloth and it is still in good condition but I don't want to wear it, I will give it to the needy and the needy will wear it. So the purpose is same, that is wearing, but if I make any bag etc. with that cloth, it would be reused for different purpose, that is repurpose. Another example is water bottles which can be reused and with different purpose. Many people use them to grow plants etc. Next is recycle. Recycle means to put used objects and materials through a process so that they can be used again. In simple words, when the things are not in the condition of reuse or repurpose, we sell or give them to waste pickers. Then the products are processed into material and material is reprocessed into new products. For example, paper, plastic, metal, glass, etc. can be recycled. Even food wastage can also be recycled into composted soil. One more R can be added in this category, that is recover. Recover means to get back something which we have lost. For example, we need paper, and if we need paper, we have to cut trees. We have to cut trees if we want to make any furniture. For medicinal purpose, we use trees. So we should recover this resource. If we are cutting one tree, we should plant two or more trees. We should continuously try to recover the resources which can be recovered. That's all what I wanted to share about resource conservation. Thank you very much.